ESIC, Employee State Insurance Corporation, is a social security scheme by the Government of India. It provides medical, sickness, maternity and disability benefits to employees and their families. Any company or establishment with 10 or more employees earning a monthly salary of 21,000 or less is required to register under ESIC. This ensures both compliance with the law and protection for your workforce. ESIC offers multiple benefits: quality medical care for employees and their families, cash benefits during sickness, maternity benefits for women employees, financial support in case of work-related inquiry or disability. All these benefits are available through a small contribution from employer and employee. Contributions are simple. For employer, 3.25% of wages, and whereas for employee, it is 0.75% of wages. With this small contribution, employees gain big protection and security. Handling ESIC registration compliance can feel complicated. That's where Patron comes in. We simplify the process, handle all paperwork, and ensure your business stays fully compliant. With Patron by your side, compliance becomes easy, your business grows smoothly, and your employees get the protection they deserve. From registration to ongoing statutory compliance, Patron ensures your business runs efficiently, safely, and worry-free.